We got kind of carried away and decided we were going to start consolidating
Kinda.
bug out bags. So I've got a medical kit. This is an all food related bag. I've got 2 miscellaneous bug out bags and the clothing bag. Now Mike's going through his. And then
Packing gloves.
we have just tons of medical supplies, and I got this before I left Portland. At work I had this display case that they were going to throw out, and I asked them if I could have it, and it's compartmentalized, so we're putting our extra medical supplies, and up here we're keeping paracord so we can just replenish our kits as we need. So here we have a bag with cotton rounds, tweezers, nail clippers, Neosporin.
After a hard day of urban survival, we'll need to go back and replenish our stock.
Yeah. And then this bag here is gauze and pain reliever. This bag here, again, tweezers, a multi-purpose screwdriver. Looks like we have super glue, tampons, pads. I don't know. There's all kinds of stuff in this bag. Let's see what else is down in here. Batteries. So this is another bag we're just going to keep in our replenish bin here. And here's a bag that is nothing but Band-Aids. Goes in here with the gauze.
That was 3 pair of gloves I just threw in there.
These industrial strength
Nitrile.
nitrile gloves. Here we have antacid, aspirin, and eye drops. Multiple eyedropper bottles. There's another bottle of aspirin. Q-tips. Fish amoxicillin. Hand warmer. There's Benadryl. This is a 1-month supply of potassium iodide for thyroid blocking. A lot of this is just excess medical gear. We have a cold compress, heat, twine, magnifying glass for fire starting, more pads and tampons. These are probably going to get vacuum sealed. Make a vacuum seal pile over here. More gloves. Nice.
Look at this. I've got labels for them. From the laminator. Laminated cards that have different types of devices on them. So when I repackage them, there we go, right there.
There we go.
All laminated, reusable, waterproof.
I have 2 of these Life straws. So I gave Mike one.
Thank you.
So we're still, right now I'm going through the medical bag. Oh, you can see it.
And there you have it.
Nice. So these are the gloves he just gave me with the label on them. This is why this is the medical bag, because it opens in half.
Nice.
Yeah, so this is more Benadryl. Isopropyl alcohol.
Great. Sterilization.
Arthritis pain reliever. We've got aspirin, more isopropyl alcohol, more tape. We've got hydrocortisone, more triple antibiotic. We've got a sling for arm, more pain reliever, and empty bottles, another bag of Band-Aids.
Hydrogen in a brown bottle so it doesn't go bad.
Got our hydrogen peroxide. This is a small first aid kit here. I just stuck nothing but Band-Aids in it. So I'll have to write that on the outside of the box. More pain reliever. Analgesic gel. 2 first aid kits. These should have things like trauma shears in them.
I think that's a video that we ought to focus on.
There.
Packing a first aid kit.
I don't know if you can see the trauma shears. All the equipment in the first aid kit, including a whistle. And what? I don't even know what's in some of this stuff. Let's see what's in this bag. Artificial tears, more tape, gauze, bandages. And of course, glow sticks. There's glow sticks in my first aid bag.
Nice.
Here's another first aid kit inside my medic bag with cold compress, nitrile gloves, needles, sting and insect bite pads, tongue depressors, more gauze, more Band-Aids. And so our food related bag has this barbecue grill on it. That's why these Molly tactical bags are so nice, because you can just slap on these tags telling you what's inside this bag.
Morale patches are awesome. They're not just for morale anymore.
But by consolidating these bags, I now have 2 bags out of the I think 5 or 6 that I have now that are basically almost empty. I use carabiners to carry bottles externally on the bags. I did want to show this because I've done a video on it, but I don't think I've ever shown the finished product. These are Vaseline cotton balls for fire starting. There's probably a good 80 campfires in this bag right here. So if that flame's sitting there for 3 to 5 minutes and you can't get a fire going out of it, you probably don't deserve to live.
Oh wait, hold on, senor. I think we ought to prove it.
You want to light one of these?
Fucking A.
Do you want me to get like a ferro rod to throw it with spark?
You get whatever trips your sweet little trigger, my friend.
All right, let me grab a fire
Put our money
source.
where our mouth is.
Yeah, we can even time how long it burns.
Yep.
All right, let me turn this camera off. I'll be right back. So this is the medic bag completed with the CPR face shield attached to one of the zippers, and now we're going to vacuum seal.